This Faceless YouTube channel gets over 4 million views per month, and it completely uses AI technology. And the results will blow your mind. He makes at least almost $21,000 per month. And that is why in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a faceless YouTube channel completely using AI. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is find our niche. By finding our niche, it's going to help us give some framework and structure to our video or to our YouTube channel, because our niche determines everything: the topic of the videos, the style of editing, and even who our target audience is going to be. Now, to help us find our niche, we're going to be using another AI tool by vidIQ. Inside vidIQ, they have a software called AI Coach, which is basically like ChatGPT, but for YouTube. Now, the first thing you're going to do when you log into vidIQ and create your account for free, we're going to go to the AI Coach to the top, and we're going to give it a prompt. Now, you want to give it a prompt, and keep in mind that we're going to be using the faceless video. So we're going to start off with finding our niche, and we're going to say, give me the 50 base faceless YouTube channels. So you're going to type that prompt down here in vidIQ's chat prompt generator. Give me the 50 best faceless YouTube channel niches. Now, as you can see, after I press send, it is right now generating the best niches for faceless videos on YouTube. Now, everybody knows when you're talking about money on YouTube, you'll make the most revenue, which means when you're able to monetize your YouTube channel, if you're talking about money, your ad revenue will be more. So I'm shooting for the big piece of the pie. If you look down in here, you'll see personal finance and tips right here. So this is the one we're going to go with. Next, we're going to want to create the branding for our YouTube channel, which is going to include your channel name, of course, your profile picture, and even your banner image. And to do this, we're going to use AI again with vidIQ AI Coach. We're going to go down to the bottom, type in the prompt, give me a list of gender neutral names. And look, it typed it up real fast. It gave me 10. We're going to go with the cool name of Avery. Cool. After we get our name, we're going to type in the prompt again. Give me 10 YouTube channel names on personal finance and budgeting by someone named Avery. As you can see, we got 10 cool names. I'm gonna just go with something simple and basic with Money Matters with Avery. We're making some progress. Next, we'll hop over to ChatGPT, but you can also do this in vidIQ AI Coach, but I wanted to show you something you could do for free. So next, we're gonna create our YouTube channel description. So you can go here, and this is the prompt. Write me a first-person YouTube channel description for our AI-run YouTube channel named Money Matters with Avery. And as you can see, it typed me up a beautiful description. So we're just going to copy that. Now that we have our YouTube name, our YouTube channel description, and our niche, now we're going to create our profile picture. For this, we're going to be going to a cool AI tool called DALL-E. DALL-E is also used by ChatGPT, so you can log in with your account there, or you can just Google it. So you can go to Google and type in DALL-E and click the first link. It is going to bring you to this page, and you're going to click try DALL-E. So all you will have to do is just type in a prompt based off a description of what you would like your ideal AI profile representative to look like. As you can see here, I just wrote something very simple: cute baby face robot that loves talking about money. And look, it gave me a cool little robot just like so. So we're going to run with that and keep going. So now we have our YouTube channel profile picture with the AI robot, all created by DALL-E. Now we're going to create our YouTube banner. So here I just went back to ChatGPT. Give me a fun YouTube banner caption for subscribing to a YouTube channel about personal finance. We're going to click that send, and I got something pretty cool came out. Subscribe now, and let's make your wallet do the happy dance. Let's go. Now, after you have all this information, you can go inside Canva and or Adobe, whatever you use, like Photoshop, and create your profile image and your banner, and then create your YouTube account and put all the information from your YouTube description in your YouTube account. For that, that's going to be another video, but it's super simple. We're going to keep it going. After you have that done, the next step is what we're going to have to do is come up with some video ideas about personal finance. For that, we're going to use vidIQ again. In your vidIQ account, they have a special tool called Daily Ideas up here at the top left. So we'll click that. In vidIQ, you can type in your prompts to help get some ideas for your YouTube channel that you'll be talking about personal finance or whatever your niche is. You can also use this back in AI Coach, but I suggest starting out, we're going to use YouTube Shorts because one, they get the most views faster, and they're easier to edit as we start getting into the content itself and creating and editing the video. A good prompt to type in on vidIQ or the AI coach or with Daily Ideas is give me 10 YouTube shorts ideas for a channel on personal finance and budgeting. After we have our YouTube channel ideas, next thing you're going to want to do is start creating your video, and we're going to be using AI as well, but you want to know the basic fundamentals of creating a YouTube video. So with that being said, it comes in 5 settings. You want to have your script, your visuals, voiceover, text and captions, and your music. Now, the good news is you do not need to use multiple AI tools for all those different parts of a video. You can use one tool, and it's one of my favorites, and I'll show you right now. So the name of the software is called InVideo. It does have a free plan. So the first thing you want to do is create a free account. And I'm going to walk you through the whole process of creating your faceless video content. And all that content is going to be created in InVideo. So let's go. Now, once you create your account, you're going to want to click on the AI text to video workflow. Next, it's going to take you to a lot of stock photos and videos with text and everything. But what we're going to be doing is YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to go over here to the left, and we're going to click portrait so we can have vertical videos. Now, basically what I'm looking for are videos that don't have a lot of work that I have to do. So we're looking for photos that have good text that I like and good stock photos that I like, so I can reduce the amount of editing I'm gonna have to do later. Now, once you've selected a template that you like, you're gonna wanna go over to use template on the right-hand side. Now, inside the editor, you have your big canvas to the right, and then you have your script generator on your left. And at the top, you have the option to use AI to write your script. In the prompt generator to the right, we're gonna give the prompt a type for the type of video or YouTube short we want to create. For this video, because it's a YouTube short, I just want to keep it under 30 seconds, and I only want to talk about 5 points for some budgeting hacks for beginners. When creating your prompts, you want to be as detailed as possible, because how your prompts are and how detailed they are determines how great the feedback or the generated response will be. To help you with this, I got some key elements for a good prompt. So the first thing you want to have is the platform and the type of video you want. In this case, it would be YouTube and a YouTube short. The length of the video, I got 30 seconds. The topic you want to cover and the tone of voice you're going for, and any additional details on your scripting style. Also, in my experience, I find that separating each element or detail about the video in your prompts with a semicolon gives you a better response and helps the AI understand what you're trying to get from it. So once you have that done, you're going to click generate. And as you can see, the AI in InVideo will create you a cool and quick script. Make sure you proofread your script, and if there's any changes, all you would have to do is just redo the prompt and redo generate, and it'll give you a whole new script, and you keep going till you find what works and makes sense for you. For this script, it works just fine. So in the very bottom down here, you're going to see these boxes, and make sure that they're checked. And if you're using the free account, just click free, and you're going to click create scenes. Now, keep in mind, this is AI. It may not produce those videos all the way perfect the first time, especially with your stock photos or whatever you're using to add the elements in your video, but you can always edit those videos and keep going from there. When you get here, there may be some videos that may not work for you or may not make sense to the content that you have. All you would have to do is go over here to videos, and then in the search bar, you're going to key in a type of content or subject matter of your video. In this case, I put budgeting, and now you see it's generated all the videos that are related to that keyword. Now, if you're using the free version, there are going to be some videos you won't have access to, and all you have to do is just upgrade to get access to those, but they do have some free videos. But once you select one that you do like, all you would have to do is just drag that video over to the media player, and then this window is going to pop up, and you're going to click replace, and then this editor is going to open up, and you can trim the video to the amount of time that you want. Once you have it trimmed to the desired amount of time, then you're just going to click add, and then that video is going to be automatically replaced into the current video that was before, or the previous video. All right, now you're going to probably have to do this a number of times to reach the amount of time that you want for this video. All right, so you just repeat this step over and over till you're done. Now, once you have your video set up and trimmed, now you can also change the positioning and the fonts of your actual text. So all you have to do is just click this, and you can move it to where you want it in each one of the scenes of your videos. If you would like to change any of the fonts, just make sure that the font element is highlighted on the video, and you can go up here to the top and change the font sizing of the font. make it bold, italic, underline, or you can even edit the text itself. Now, you will have to do this for each individual scene of the videos or the clips inside your video. And if you say, for example, this right here is a white, and it has a white background. So what you can do is just make sure the element is highlighted, click it, and then I can change the background to black, like so, and then click replace all. After you have all your text and fonts in each clip of the scenes of your video complete, and you have them all trimmed, next thing we're gonna work on is your voiceover. You wanna make sure that you're using a voiceover or some type of audio because it helps holds people's attention. Now, you can also do your voiceover inside in video by going all the way to the bottom of your screen like so and clicking on voiceover. Once you click that, it's going to open up this new window right here. And don't worry, you don't have to record your own audio. You can use the automated text-to-speech, and they have a lot of different varieties. You could choose the language, the type of voice, and the type of mood of the video or the sound or the quality of the voice. We'll just leave it with John, and we're going to click generate voiceover. You can also give it a quick preview, and if it sounds good, you're going to check the box to add the automated voiceover for all scenes, then click add. Once you do that, it's automatically going to add that voice to all the scenes in your video, and you're good to go. Now, the only thing left to do now is the music. If you're happy with the music, you can leave it like it is. If not, you can just click music over here in the menu taskbar over to your left, and you can pick the type of sound or mood or instrumental that you like in your music. For this one, we just click inspiring just for the sake of the video, and we just click a sound right here, and we're gonna, and if you can browse through them, but once you like it, you can click add to player. Now, as you can see, the song was added to our timeline in the video that we're editing at the very bottom, Sunday morning instrumental. But what you're gonna wanna do is reduce the volume. So we're gonna make sure we're gonna highlight audio element on the bottom, and then we're gonna go to the top and click volume and fade. And then what's gonna happen, another window is gonna open up, and we're just gonna reduce the volume down to 2 or 3. We don't want it to be overtaken over the voice audio. And we're gonna click fade in and out, make sure that's, and if everything else looks good, now we're gonna test it out and see how it sounds all together.
You don't need to be an expert in math to ace your budgeting game.
That sounds great. So if everything looks and sounds good on your end, all you would have to do next is go to the top right-hand corner and export the video. I recommend doing 1080p for full HD. It has the best quality, but you can shoot for the 720 pixel if you like that output as well. And then just click the export button. Now, if by any chance you get stuck during this process, I want you to be attentive to the little chat icon to the bottom right here. They have 24/7 chat, and they will reply within a minute. I will leave those links down below in the description of this video so you can get started right now. After you export it, your video is going to be rendered. Once it's rendered, you can download it to your desktop, laptop, or any device, and then you can just upload it to YouTube. Now, keep in mind, this is a marathon, not a race. You're going to have to repeat this over and over to start a bit of momentum on your YouTube channel or whatever social media platform you choose to upload these shorts or these clips to, and keep going until you start getting your desired results and start crushing it in this online game. I see you guys on the other side. I hope this helps you stay blessed.